Gates open, they're up and racing. Dandino draws for your lead. Terrible Marvin. Pure Joy saw the outside. She's gorgeous. Let Choice moving up by the rail, and trailing the group is Pag-asa. As they race towards the last 900, Dandino win command, followed by Pure Joy. Let Choice moving up by the rail. Terrible Marvin drops back in fourth. Racing in fifth, She's Gorgeous, and Pag-asa is running at the tail of the field as they round at the last 600. Dandino, Pure Joy is on the outside. Let Joy still racing in third. Terrible Marvin, She's Gorgeous, and Pag-asa as they race at the last 450. Dandino, Pure Joy is on the outside. Terrible Marvin, Let Choice moving up on the outside. She's Gorgeous, Pag-asa as they swing for home. Dandino, Pure Joy is on the outside. We have Dandino by the rail, Pure Joy on the outside. She's Gorgeous, Terrible Marvin, and down the stretch and hitting the finish line. It's still Dandino by about 2 lengths, Pure Joy, and with 75 meters of the race, it's all entry number 5, Dandino, Pure Joy. Then comes number 3, She's Gorgeous, Terrible Marvin, Pag-asa, and Let Choice.